Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make TikTok videos private. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok application, and then you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom and click on any of your video. Click on three dots here and scroll in the bottom. Scroll again. You can see privacy settings. Click on that. And you have the option to make this video. Click on only me. So once you click on only me, this video will be private and only you are able to see. So but it take long process to make all videos private on the TikTok. So I'm going to show you another method that you can use. You simply need to click on three bars on the top right. Here you need to click on settings and privacy. Scroll down and in the bottom you can see report a problem. Click on that and click on this form on the top right. And here you can see there is not support ticket. Scroll down and in the bottom you can see submit a report, and here you need to mention to the TikTok team that I want to make my videos private, kindly help me in that, and click on submit. Then they will contact with you in few days and help to resolve your issue. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.